Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how much interest you're paying to your bank whenever you borrow money from them? Here's a tool that you could use called a loan amortization schedule. This particular template is a standard template within Microsoft Excel that you could download. In this example, I borrowed $10,000 on my credit card. It carries an interest rate of 20% per year. I can't afford to pay it off, but I could pay it off over 10 years if I make minimum payments of $193.26. If I do that, in addition to the $10,000 I have on my balance, I'll be paying them an additional $13,190.68. Now you understand why banks make so much money. They're taking your hard-earned money and transferring it over to them by getting you to make easy monthly minimum payments. Okay, so that's basically a trick that they use. They don't want you to pay off the balance because they're making money off of you. So what you want to do is you want to keep as much money in your pocket as possible by paying it off sooner. So if I pay this off in 5 years, look how much interest I'll be saving. I'll be paying a lot less interest, $58.96.33. If I pay this off in 1 year, with monthly payments of $926.35, I'll only be paying $1,116.14 in interest. I'll be keeping more money in my pocket. So the moral of this video is to pay off your debts as soon as possible. Keep the money in your pocket instead of giving it to the bank. Now, if I know that there's no way that I'm going to be able to pay off my debt in a short period of time, and that the bank's going to end up making a lot of money off me in interest, because I'm going to have to take 10 years to pay off my debt, I might consider filing a consumer proposal. A consumer proposal is a settlement facilitated by licensed insolvency trustee between you and your creditors. The trustee basically determines what you could afford to pay and what your creditors would accept as a settlement. When a proposal is filed, your creditors cannot charge any more interest, and the settlement can be paid over 5 years. So basically, if you want to keep your hard-earned money in your pocket instead of giving it over to the bank, you might want to consider contacting a licensed insolvency trustee, such as myself, if you're in Ontario, and schedule a consultation meeting to talk about a consumer proposal.